You can add our laundry booking button into your website, same like this. You can visit the laundry booking page by clicking on that button. From laundry booking page, you can select the items for laundry from different categories. Then user schedule pickup by choosing the service and pickup date and time. User can also check the selected items and can also change or add more items. In the next step, user can add new address or can choose the already added address. In the last step, user can choose the payment method and can check the price details and confirm the order. Now the laundry partner will get the notification, and then laundry partner will accept the order from the user. Then the driver gets the notification about the order. Once the driver gets the notification, he will accept the order. Then he will reach the user and pick up the laundry. He can also edit the order items. In the last step, he would deliver the order to the laundry partner. When the laundry partner receives the order, he will send it to cleaning. After the cleaning process, he will mark it as ready. Now the driver will get the notification about the order and he will accept the order. Then he will pick up the order from the laundry and deliver it to the user. Meanwhile, users can also see their orders and can view the order details. They can check the items selected, price details, and can also check the order update. Thank you for watching.